day. The world we know is about to waste away. On both sides and in between, we're seeing things that we've never seen. Our little piece of paradise is turning out to be not so nice. In a world so full of greed, do we fight? Do we just concede?
Here at the Buck House in Bramwell. So what year is this house?
1885.
1885. Okay, so we are with Jerry and John at the Buck House Mansion. It's a mansion as well out here in Bramwell. And you want to tell us a little bit about the house, Jerry?
Built in 1885
Mm-hmm.
by Mr. Buck, who also built the Friedman Mansion.
Interesting.
And later on, and I don't know how long he lived here, he sold it to the Bowens, who had 3 houses and another mansion up on the other side of the railroad tracks.
Wow.
And this is where they would keep the food warm. The kitchen and the laundry was in the building outside. I don't know if you could see it. But yes, you could see it if you walk over there.
Oh, yeah, I can see it.
The original
Wow.
kitchen and laundry, and it had a wall between it. And
Oh, that's
it
a
was-
separate house.
Yes, and a servant or a butler would live in it.
Wow.
So they had a bedroom, and then they had one room was kitchen and laundry. This is the servant's staircase, which we will not be using. I have some storage
Wow.
here. as you
They got
can
goes up
see.
to the attic.
Wow. Use this as the central battery area. You getting any hits, Frank?
Well, I've been getting hits all over the place.
Have ya?
See the round entranceway to the
Place
orchestra.
with the orchestra.
The orchestra stayed up there when they had parties. That arches. We'll be going up there.
Right.
Go up here, but now.
Wait a minute. Oh, I'm catching in there.
What was it?
It's a motion detector I put in the kitchen. I didn't realize it come through.
Because there's no internet or anything here, just electricity.
Okay.
This would have been the orchestra room.
Wow. So this is where the orchestra would play.
Yes, I'd love to get a piano and have some stuff here, but show up the attic
Go up the attic.
for the charger
Getting hits.
here. Now upstairs used to be the children's play area, and there's a place where trains.
Yeah.
Oh, is this the servants comes up and this is the other end of it?
And this
Wow.
would have been their bedroom.
Oh, wow.
In fact, you don't really have, you can come up if you want. There's a lot of stuff up here.
Yeah.
You'll see it really easy. No more.
John, see if that light works.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Up. Flickering.
Uh-oh.
Well, yeah, it's not the best.
Take
but-
two's going off. I'll leave it off.
Believe it.
Why, it should be okay. See, they have a leak. Now, here we
Okay.
thought we were buying a house
Mm-hmm.
and that all the leaks were taken care of. The roof cost us an extremely lot. Frank could go up there because that used to be, this is where, like, it used to be more finished like my attic.
Yeah.
And if you look across the room, you're going to see a train table.
Oh, yeah. There's all kinds of stuff.
Wow.
This really has to get all cleaned out.
My
What is
chair up there is one of the best.
What's
We
that?
got a chair up here that is
Yeah.
absolutely outstanding.
Yeah.
I knew you would up here. 'Cause I felt it up there. Every single sink and every single toilet tub has their own shut off. One upstairs and one downstairs. We have 2 hot water heaters.
On the board.
Yeah.
So you already had the roof redone, huh?
The
Oh,
roof
yeah.
was
I
done.
just finished putting the final coating on it.
And
Cool.
like I said, this here used to be the children's playroom.
Let's do a PSP7 up here and see if we get anything. What do you think?
I mean, there's no holes in the floor. You just have to be careful that you don't trip.
Right. Okay, if anybody's up here with us in the children's room, I'll turn this on, and if you could tell us your name. Is anybody up here with us? Hello? 360. Oh my gosh. That's a big seashell. Heard a male voice. What's your name? No kidding. Hello. Something's talking. It was a male voice. Are you related to the Bucks? Are there any children up here? How many spirits are up here with us? Are you related to the Bucks or the Bowens? Bowens. Did it say Bucks? What's your first name? Are there any Bowens here? To me. You gonna come with us and investigate tonight with us? We are, said Jenna or something like that. Yeah. What was a Hal? I could be wrong. Sometimes I don't hear it quite right. You gonna come with us and investigate tonight with us? We are, said. There's Jerry way over there. He's a huge attic. It really is huge. Did you used to sit up here?
When the children and their nannies came up here, because they all had nannies, and when the orchestra would be downstairs and all the adults.
What did they have over there? Is it like a table?
That was all train.
Oh, that was the train spot.
It looks like somebody took some apart.
Did you used to play with the trains over there? This was a big train area over there. It's talking, isn't it? That was the same voice there.
Some of the stuff still belongs to the man that we bought the house from. I said, don't worry about it. Anything you want, you can have.
Right.
He took most of what he wants. So.
Well, definitely getting a lot of hits up here, ain't we? It's not dirty. It just got a lot of things in it. Oh, yeah. Huh? Yeah. And this goes down for the servants. Down for the servants.
I've had this house for a few years. I've never been down there.
Well, you've never gone down this way?
Nope. Got stuff on it.
In the stairway, huh?
You get the fans and the air conditioners. Yeah, you got it. Wow. I need to take a nap. All the beds have clean sheets.
That's awesome. Yeah, you can. Let's take a little seat if you don't mind. Can I sit here?
Yep.
All right. Is anybody here with us? Yeah. Are you a buck or a Bowen?
It's like I can move those blankets and you can sit right on them. You sit right on them.
There you go. That's a booster chair for you. You got all kinds of projects, don't you? I don't envy you because I don't know where you.
I take what music the most. Right now, I'm working on the back porch trying to finish it up.
Wow.
When we had that big rainstorm, everything was open.
Why don't you ask some questions, Jerry?
Okay,
This is Tech talking up a storm.
Are you here with us?
Any Bowens? What's
Tot was a Bowen, and Tot was in
Tot?
National
T-O-T?
Tot.
T-O-T?
Yeah.
Or is it Todd? T-O-D?
No,
I
it
think
was
it's
a woman.
Tot. And she
female.
was in National Geographic in this house.
Really?
They featured it
It just said Tot,
in this house.
didn't it?
No, it was-
It said Tot, didn't it?
Yeah.
Tot, are you here with us? You were talking about Tot or Todd, and it said Tot.
No, then was this house, the whole garden, the whole area next to his house, the whole lot there was all gardens.
Really?
I just still can't believe what we they're really talking.
Yeah, that was definitely something there.
We eat 'em up, but we don't react. We've set ourselves up for this fall. Now our backs up against the wall. What can we do? We all cry as she dies. Is there nothing we can say or do?